The Amazon on-site commissions might be the easiest way to make passive income online. And I only say this because I've done it for a while, but most people are still trying to get into the program and just failing. Now, why are they failing? Now, you may have experienced this as well. Maybe your first 3 videos didn't get approved the first time or the second time, and maybe even the third time. The problem is you can watch all the videos, you can read up on it, but a lot of people are missing some of the main things, which is number one, remember, you are going ahead and put these videos out so that a person's actually going to see this video, your first 3 videos that you're trying to get into. The problem is there's too much editing going on. There's a lot of things they shouldn't be doing. Don't show the barcodes. Don't have a bunch of kids in the background. Remember, it's you and the product. Sometimes I think you can do too much and it's over the top. Remember, people are always looking for regular people to talk about regular products. Okay, we don't want to be, influenced by somebody who we don't trust, right? Because Amazon wants to deal with people who are interested in the program, but they also want to trust them as well. So there has to be a trust factor between you and your audience. And I find that I bought a lot of these programs online, and they fail to miss the idea of the connection between you and the audience and keeping your videos as simple as possible. They think they have to set it up like in a room where it looks like a podcast room, or they've got certain lighting and all this stuff. People want to see regular people do regular reviews. And I only say this because some of the most commissions I make are off those really simple videos that are less than a minute long because of that. So what I'm telling you is that if you're going to try to get into the program, first of all, make sure you're doing all the things correctly, which is whatever social media platform you're using, make sure you keep posting on it. Posting. Whatever your niche is, keep posting about that, and also keep posting things to get people to engage. Remember, it's not always about follower count Amazon is looking at. Amazon is looking at what type of engagement do you have with your audience. Now, once you are done and you are eligible, and let's say you get into the program, the on-site commissions, now you're making money off doing product reviews, continue to use the platform that you use to be eligible. In other words, if it's TikTok, if it's YouTube, if it's Instagram, Facebook, don't stop putting, or posting on there about things. Now, I want to quickly tell you that I do have a short PDF that will walk you through the ins, the outs. I give you a lot of information that works. I give you a lot of information that doesn't work, that's going to work against you. To me, that is just as important. So if you're interested in something like that, be sure to head to the description box below where you can find out more information. I'm here if you have any questions. See you soon.